Hi everybody, this is Tammy and I'm back to share with you a haul from Frank Garcia's studio. So the last haul that I did, I told you that I had already placed another order. This is a haul from National Scrapbook Day. So that day he had a bunch of sales on his in his store, not in the physical store, but on his website. And he did have curbside pickup, or you could have it shipped. I decided to do curbside pickup. I live in Southern California. So I decided to do curbside pickup, and then one day when I was not at work, I went and picked it up. So, and it is just straight curbside pickup. His studio is not open at all, but I miss it. I miss his beautiful studio. So he had the Prima Santorini collection, which is a collection that he designed. He had a kit of that collection for $25. And it was so awesome. I had seen it, Anna, who is Serenity Creations, she shared it on a video on the Friday before National Scrapbook Day. So I was like, I'm getting that kit because it was so well worth the money. So let me show you everything that was in the kit. So it included the 8x8 paper pad, which has 30 sheets. So you get 5 sheets of 6 different designs. And I'm sure everybody has seen this collection. It is a beautiful collection, and I do have some of it. I didn't pick up, I don't think I picked up a paper pad, but I picked up a few different sheets of the 12x12 papers that were foiled. And one of the places that I want to go to so bad is Greece, and this collection is basically based on, there's a lot of images of Greece in it, and it just has really beautiful florals, and it's just a gorgeous collection. And it is double-sided. So I picked up, so the kit came with the 8x8 pad. It came with the chipboard stickers, which is 38 pieces. And what does it tell you on the back? What's in it? But you can see what those are. And these are foiled. They have this really pretty blue glittery, or blue glitter on it. And also like an aqua or turquoise foil. So beautiful. It also came with the puffy stickers. It came with the 4x6 journaling note cards, which are beautiful on their own. And even the back side is just a beautiful floral print. So even if you didn't want to use the front, you could always use that beautiful pink patterned floral pattern that's on the back. It came with the tickets, which I love, and I know I have these already, but I'm happy to have another set. And yeah, I know that there's 36 pieces, and I think it's 4 different tickets, 4 different patterns. It also came with the 3x4 journaling note cards pad. Really cool. It came with the washi tape. So you get 4 decorative washies, and there's one is that blue glitter, and then the aqua foil stripes, and then floral, and then this this pretty abstract kind of it looks like watercolor to me. So pretty. So those 4 washi tapes. And then this is why I said this kit is so awesome. It's pretty much like you got all of that for free, because the Prima Flowers are usually $5.99 each. And you got 4 different packs of Prima Flowers in this kit, which right there would be $24. So it's like you bought the flowers and then you got everything else that I just showed you for free. So it was such an awesome deal that I could not pass it up. So I picked that up, and let me move this aside. And while I was on the site, I kept looking to see what I wanted, what else I wanted. And I ended up getting some stickles. So I got this pretty stickles color. It's called Cool Mint. So really cute. And on National Scrapbook Day, he had a 20% off coupon. So you didn't get it off the kit, but anything else that you got an additional 20% off on. So I got Black Diamond. Another, and I got Twinkle, which is like an iridescent clear. And then I got the Cool Mint, which is really pretty. And I thought that would match this kit and another kit that I have. So I got those stickles. And then I got this super pretty paper pad called Flower Market by Cartabella. And shoot, I know I don't have this collection, but I thought it was really pretty and very summery. So I'll do a quick flip through. I love the cutouts. And then this. Oh no, I have some of the 12 by 12, and I think I have one of the sticker sheets for this. Because I remember that truck. I remember this truck, this green truck. So yeah, I picked that up, and it was I don't remember how much it was. It wasn't very expensive. And then I kept looking, and I came across, oh my goodness, Blue Fern Studio. So I love their paper for to do like a lot of mixed media stuff. Their paper is really nice and thick, and some of it's really textured. And so I like to use it for layout, for 12 by 12, like mixed media layouts, and then also just for like to do mixed media projects on. So I got these are called I can't remember what they call their chipboard, but I got this chipboard piece, which I thought this ink bottle was really beautiful, and then it has like a feather pin and then some flourishes. So I picked that up. And then I got the ephemera pieces for A Romantic Life. And then here on the back, you can see all the different ephemera pieces. Oh, I just love them. They're so shabby and just so beautiful. And like this, I can use with any collection, on different tags, on anything. I don't have to use it with like their paper. I can use it pretty much on anything. And then I also picked up this one, and this one is from Jane's Memoirs. So look at that feather. And I love the typewriter keys. Very, very beautiful. And then I got all of this paper. I got all of these papers, and I just picked up the pages that I wanted from the collections. It's from both of those collections, the Jane's Memoirs, and then also from what's the other one? A Romantic Life. So I'm just gonna flip through them kind of quickly in case you haven't seen them. So that's the front of this one, and then the back, and their papers are also double-sided. Look how pretty that is. And then I got this one, and then that's the back, and then this one. So this is all still A Romantic Life. Look at that chandelier, so gorgeous. And then that's the back, a very pretty neutral, so pretty. And then this one is like different cutout pieces, or it's like a collage, but it's called calling cards. And then this is the back, a damask pattern. Looks like old wallpaper. So I got two of that one. And then I got this one. Look at this piece right here, so beautiful. And then on the back is a bunch of different fonts of alpha. And then I got this one. I think I got one of each, or almost one of each page in the collection. Just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This one I got two of this one because I love this back. I love the feather. And then I think this is the last, yeah, this is the last one of that one. Beautiful collage page, so pretty. And then this is Jane's Memoirs, and this is more of a vintage looking collection, where the other one is more shabby, but this one is very, very vintage. And I love, look at that, the different pens. Just so cute. Waterman's fountain pens. I think I have a couple Waterman pens. And then this is the back, and I love that lace, like, I just love it. It's like lace, and underneath like some ripped paper. Just very beautiful. And then this one, and again, I think I got almost one of each different page, but not quite. So this would be something pretty that I would probably use to, oh, I love this, that I would probably use to make a journal, or definitely to cover a journal. I don't like using cardstock inside or as the pages of my journal because it makes it too thick. But I could use it for pockets and stuff like that. But it is just a very beautiful, beautiful collection. So, and then this is the calling cards page. And again, I got 2 of that page. So pretty. And this is the back. And then, oh, and I got 2. Is that the one? And yeah, and then I got just this page from Maggie Holmes, The Sweet Story, because I love me some swans. So I got this one and then this one too for a particular project. So that is my haul from Frank Garcia's studio. I will put a link to his studio. I have a coupon code, a regular coupon code that you can use. It's free and it's freestanding and it's always open. It's Tammy10 and it will get you 10% off of your order. But if you join his, if you sign up for his newsletter, then you'll know when he has sales, because I think the newsletter goes out once a week, and he'll post in there if there's any kind of sales like he did for National Scrapbook Day, and then if there's any extra other coupons, like I believe at the beginning of the stay at home he had free shipping, that was in the newsletter. And then for National Scrapbook Day, he had 20% off of his store. That was in the newsletter. So if you want to know about sales and other or higher coupon codes, then definitely sign up for his newsletter, and you'll get those emails with the information in it. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching, and I hope you're all having a really great day. Bye!